I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Vivo model and unlocking basic security. This matters because app lock options vary by firmware. Once done, open Settings and go to Security and Privacy. Make sure you have your Google account signed in and a screen lock set. Without that, you cannot enable app-level protection. Tap App Encryption or App Lock now. Some skins label it differently. And grant the requested permissions when prompted, so the system can manage Play Store locking securely. Now you navigate the app list and find Play Store. You need to toggle protection on. When you enable the lock, choose a method: PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Pick what you will reliably use. Set an authentication timeout if offered so apps relock after an activity. Make sure to also enable verification for purchases or installs inside Play Store settings. This prevents unauthorized downloads. If your Vivo skin asks for accessibility permissions, grant only what's necessary, then return to confirm the lock is active. Finish by testing Play Store. Close it and reopen to verify the lock prompt appears and matches your chosen method. If it doesn't, clear Play Store cache and data, reboot, then check app lock permissions again. These steps resolve most conflicts between system modules. Make sure your Vivo system apps are updated through System Update. Finally, back up your chosen PIN or pattern and enable Find My Device. That safeguards recovery if you lock yourself out, and you'll avoid data loss that way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.